underground hustling. We making panties for days, and yes, you know that we blowing some haze. And man, this feeling's amazing how we killing our time by spitting some lines. And yes, I am tired of crime, so the light is what I find. I gotta get my head right, talk is cheap right, but now it's time to get my bread right. On my grind and progress, soon to be on deck, spinning, you can copy. You know you'll be jacking it, my style so fresh and so smooth. I used to be broke, but now I'm major like the news. Name was well known all around my school, and I never was the type to be famous and it's cool. I never used to rap, I damn blow pip, and now I do both. Look at that, I be the shit. Now I'm educated well, never have I been to jail. Still I'm packing some Excel, so I'm gonna be here for a while. Should I go in super duper hard? I might as well. I keep my flow tight like it's rolling with the belt. Only one message that I wanna shout: money leads to happiness, yep, there's no doubt. So I keep that on my scalp, try and help my family out. Send a message to my bro, tell him he don't need no hoe. To my little bro too, just be careful while you grow. Some girls will be promiscuous, leave you heart broke. That's no joke, and you only live one time. Life is no rehearsal, so you better go and live it right, live it high. And I'm talking to the foolish, spit game nice, cause I be speaking through it. Tell me why it seems like I'm running straight through it. We are destined to shine, you just gotta do it. If you see me, I'm as simple as pie. I'm a highly sophisticated etiquette guy who's living the life of a teenage inside. I'm flying my plans up into the sky. I dream and I try, never telling a lie. When I jump up on the mic, I'm always speaking my mind. I speak in my rhyme, but never dwell on the past. To everybody talking shit, we'll get the last laugh. Cause one day, we'll be rolling with the Benjamins. And just because you got no ends, you're gonna try and hate on him. Well, go ahead and try and make yourself feel better. Just know this, you're gonna hate it like some shitty weather. I know better, so I never say no names. Just stay focused with the road to achieve fame. Never copping dames, all I do is bypass your highness, yes, but only cause I'm burning grass. And after this, we can all just sit and laugh, reminiscing about the times when we had no cash. Yeah. Hey, hey. And I'm Drew.